Oh, that joint's not focused right now. What is good, YouTube? Let me adjust this real quick. No, it's falling. So what is good, YouTube? It's not focused now. I'm back here with a different type of video because 360Jeezy threw out a challenge called the Every Haircut Challenge. And, you know, obviously 360Jeezy did it, Chris Basio did it, Matt Gifted Hands did it, S-Craft Blends did it, Mem the Barber did it. Now Dre is finna do it. So I have the Every Haircut Challenge here for you guys today. It is a Friday, so I'm gonna take you through what a Friday is like for me. I'm pretty booked up, so yeah, stick with me. Then the point of this challenge is to show you guys that, you know, not every haircut is like the perfect Instagram head, you know what I mean? Everyone has different head shapes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take you through the life of a real Barber's Friday. So yo, this right here is my high school. Clear view, you know what I'm saying? 3 years out. But that right there is my high school. I'm recording, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Right now, my first client is running about 10 minutes late. Come on, Zeke. There he is. There he is. What's up, my guy? You're running on my time, bruh.
I'm bad.
Alright, so what we doing, my dude?
You know the same thing.
The usual?
Yeah, usual. Show me. You looking.
What's going on? That's haircut number 1. My guy Eds is number 2. Go ahead, say number 2. Do number 2 like this. Number 2 with Pops. Number 3. Another one. Cool. So what we doing? 3. Wanna take your foot in?
I'll put it in.
You looking real lost, fam.
Get it together. She got the.
This man Alex looking real lost right now, though.
Come on, man.
You're looking like A-Rap Money.
I look like I came out the Jumanji board game.
You take a seat in the throne.
I got some tigers underneath. And then
Alright, we'll be right back.
Number 4. Go ahead, Alex. You know what I'm saying? Probably Chulo.
why mess it up like that?
I know, right? So your boy is running a little bit behind right now. My break ended up only being about 15 minutes because of that. So I asked my next one to bring me a quesadilla from Taco Bell, and I was gonna take it off his haircut, or I give him the money when he gets here. So he is the GOAT for that. It's my guy Gabe. And yeah, I'm 4 in. I got 6 more. So stick with me. Number 6, I think.
Yeah, bro, that's why it was so easy to like I was like automatically rocking shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was like, alright.
That's my guy Nathan. Number 7. Oh yeah, Trenton. About to get you right. So your boy just wrapped up the Every Haircut Challenge. Did 10 haircuts today. You know what I'm saying. Not every head was perfect, but we made it work. Gave him the best haircut I could possibly give him. You know what I'm saying. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, give it a comment if you can. Tag 360Jeezy, tag Chris Basio, and all that good stuff. Yeah, Every Haircut Challenge.